Hey guys, happy, this would probably be for Tuesday, maybe Monday. I imagine that we'll have learning on Monday. So um, today we're going to be doing the converting radicals and exponential forms. So this is not actually a worksheet of what you will be doing today. It's just a little review. And then I will go over the assignment and my expectations. I did get the knee surgery. Everything went good. I got it all out, and I'm feeling a little rough. Hopefully, I mean, I'm gonna come back sometime this week for sure, but so we'll see. I miss you guys all. I hope you have a good day off on Monday. Hopefully, you have a day off on Monday. You should. All right. So, converting radicals, we did this on Friday, and this is just the worksheet from Friday. I'm just going to go over a couple of little quick things before you actually have to do your assignment. So, when we convert radicals, there's two types of forms that you're going to see. The first is going to be something like, it's going to be in a radical form, okay? And if there's no number here, it's a 2, okay? And so if we have x to the 3 and a 2, to write that in exponential form, we got x to the, and we do the inside over the outside, okay? And so, and one thing to keep in mind, if you have something like, we could say 5a to the 2 over 3, okay? In radical form, you draw your little radical. The stuff inside the parentheses has got to go under it. So, and then we still do inside and the outside. Okay, and so on the inside, we're going to have a 2 and a 3. And it's okay if this 2 is like way outside. So you could have 5a and maybe you have a 2 here and a 3 here. That's totally okay too. Because you can definitely see that the one is always going to be the furthest over this way, and the other one's going to be the furthest over this way. And so we're just going to go over a couple of these. The front whole page is, this is in exponential form, and we're going to radical form. And you can tell because it has an exponent. Okay, and so this should be inside over outside. Okay, and so to write it in radical form, you draw the radical, and we always use parentheses, and we got the 5 goes on the inside, and the 2 goes on the outside. And that's it, that's our answer. And so if we look at 9, well, let's do 11. So we got our radical, we're going to draw the radical, and it's going to be 2v to the third. And we do 1 on the inside, 6 on the outside. Okay, it's inside over outside. Let's do, sorry, it's been a while since I taught at home. So we could draw a radical, and you're going to have 7r. 1 goes on the inside, and a 2 goes on the outside. But with a regular plain old radical, you can either put the 2 there, or it's implied that it's there. There's an imaginary 2 right out here on the front. And so it's okay if you put it there, or if you don't, it does not matter. Okay, and so I'm just going to make me feel better. The other ones that you're going to see, and you're going to see them on your assignment today, is going to be, this is in radical form. We can see that radical, and so they want you to write it in exponential form. And so you're going to say 7x, and we always use parentheses, even if they're not there. The stuff under goes in parentheses. And we have 5 on the outside, or on the inside, and 3 on the outside. Okay, and this is what I was talking about. This is like outside of the house, but we know that the 3 is always the outside one. Okay, so just keep that in mind when you're doing these. So if we looked at, we can draw our, ooh, I almost did it in the wrong form. Okay, we're writing in exponential form. So we're going to have 7v, and the 4 goes on top, 3 goes on bottom. Inside over outside. Let's look at 18. So we're going to draw our parentheses, 5r. What's on the inside? Okay, if there's nothing there, it's implied that it's a 1. So it's going to be 1 over 3. Um, 24 is kind of the same. So you got 10x around parentheses. 1's on the inside, 4's on the outside. 23, okay, you got a goes in your parentheses, 5's on the inside. What's on the outside? If there's nothing on the outside of that radical, it's implied that it's a 2. Okay, and that's just a quick review. So today what you're actually going to be doing, if you get on Canvas, it's going to be on assignment 13, and it says converting forms day 2. Okay, and so if you click on that, you can follow the link. It says join my quiz, okay, and you're going to enter this code. So I would probably copy and paste the code first. That way when you get on it, but I think the link takes you right to it. Okay, so if once you get on quizzes, and mine's loading, okay, you need to type in your legitimate name. So don't type me in unicorn 214 something weird, okay? Type me in your actual name, Ethan H, Ashley H, something with your actual name, okay? And you're going to complete that quizzes. When you're done with the quizzes, you need to take a screenshot of your score and you're going to post it on here, okay? So you can file upload, or if you forget, you can do the text box for your score, okay? And you can take this quiz as many times as you want. So if you really want that 20 out of 20, you can go back through, and there's like redemption questions. So if you get some wrong, you can go back through and redo that, okay? So that's up to you, but make sure that you submit it here. That way I can grade it. If you forget, then it's going to look like you didn't do it. There are some paper copies. The sub should have them on my desk. If you do not have a phone or iPad, you can do this on your phone or iPad. And then if you have not already, you need to do your e-learning from probably Monday, if there is no school Monday, and then last week, okay? So I want you to submit your grade and any assignments that you have missing, okay? So make sure to just take a couple seconds, get those 2 done, and get those out of the way. That way that they're done for the week. And then work on anybody else's e-learning if you get finished pretty early. Hopefully I'll see you guys soon. Hit me up on Remind or Canvas if you need anything, and I will see you next time.